We stand by the quality of our products, which is why Mobile Warming and all of its products are backed by a limited 1-year warranty. Our warranty applies only to the original purchaser and guarantees that the construction, electrical heating elements, and battery will be free from factory defects in both quality and performance for a period of 1 year. If any issues arise with the product, you can reach out to our friendly customer service team by sending an email to info@fieldsheer.com. Our team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Our team is quick to respond, and if they find that the problem falls under a factory defect issue and that the customer can provide a proof of purchase, they will work with you to repair or replace the product at no additional charge, besides the cost of return shipping the item back to us. New this year, with Mobile Warming products, we now offer the users the ability to register their products online. Each product will ship with a registration card that has a unique product registration number and information on where to register your product. Registering your product helps us track any warranty claims, keeps the customer informed regarding any important updates regarding Mobile Warming. For more information about registering your garment, visit fieldsheer.com/product-registration.